Exposing the key to vitality in every capsule. Let's repair your DNA. Nicotinamide to the rescue. Nicotinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a powerhouse supplement that you should definitely have on your radar. Found naturally in foods like fish, nuts and green vegetables, it plays a crucial role in your body's energy production and DNA repair. The benefits? Oh, they're plenty. From boosting brain function to enhancing skin health and fighting fatigue, nicotinamide is like a multi-tool for your well-being. Wondering about dosage? Experts recommend 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, ideally taken with meals. But as always, consult with your healthcare provider first. Risks are minimal, but high doses can cause some side effects like nausea or liver issues, so stick to the recommended amounts. For a trusted source, check out the link in our description to get your nicotinamide from Amazon. Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more information on longevity hacks. Stay healthy, stay vibrant. See you next time.